Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from a joyful yet painful to watch. Oh my god, is this try not to cry challenge? So this is some emotional clip, should I say, from the Beanies last time or yesterday na, how do I say this? Yesterday na contract signing nila. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Alam mo, for me siguro makaka-relate din ako nito. Pero ang makaka-relate talaga dito or mas magiging affected talaga, yung mga blooms talaga na from the beginning or from the start, andyan na for the Beanie. Right? Kasi ako, ano lang naman ako eh, like 2 years pa lang ata akong blooms talaga na gumagawa ng reaction video. Tapos patigil-tigil pa. Kasi, syempre as a reactor, hindi, kahit sabihin mong idol mo sila, mas pinaprioritize talaga namin. Ito ha, I have to be honest with you. Alam nyo din naman na ako talaga, ano talaga ako, like very vocal talaga ako sa reaction video ko. Kaya nga lumaki yung ganito ang channel ko. Kasi kahit ang pangit ng audio ko, ang pangit ng setup ko, and everything, minahal talaga ako ng mga viewers ko because of my authenticity sa pagbigay ng reaction video. As a reactor, kami mga reactor kasi, kahit gaano pa namin ka-love ang isang artist and kahit gaano namin gustong gawa ng reaction video, mas pinaprioritize namin yung makakakuha kami ng maraming views. Okay? Yun talaga yun. So parang napaka hypocrite na sabihin mong I am vlogging not because for the views, but because I love vlogging or I love making reaction videos sa mga artists na kahit alam kong konti ang views. Napaka-hypocrite nun. Kasi kami mga reactor, lalo-lalo na kung hindi lang kami isang beses gumawa ng reaction video sa isang araw, mas pinaprioritize namin kung saan kami makakakuha ng maraming views and subscribers. So basically, pagdating kasi sa mga ganitong girl group, P-pop, and everything, minsan ka lang makaka-jackpot na makakakuha ka ng maraming views. Kaya, sa mga reactors, sa mga fellow reactors ko ng mga Filipino na who cannot established viewers from P-pop groups, I do understand them why is not, hindi nila masyadong, hindi naman sa hindi pinopromote, it's just like, hindi nila masyadong ginagawa ng reaction video ang isang P-pop group because mas prioritize namin o priority namin ang kung saan kayo makakakuha ng maraming views and subscribers. Yun lang. Anyways, go. So, makaka-relate dito yung mga old blooms talaga. Well, kahit new blooms ka din naman, makaka-relate ka. Pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung, kung saan talaga sila yung tipong nag-start from the scratch. Right?
Especially after feeling like their career had stagnated for 3 years. Because of this, they expressed deep gratitude to Blooms for their unwavering support.
Sobrang nakakatuwa lang kasi never namin in-expect na may mga
Grabe,
blooms
no?
na makakapansin sa mga bagay na hindi namin in-expect.
I remembered, I think that was the first time na nakita ko si Mikang very emotional sa kanyang live. Yung tipong nagsabi niya na kahit konti lang tayo, kahit 80 plus lang tayo, something like that, if I'm not mistaken, solid tayo. Ganon. Doon ko na, ay shucks, I love this. Parang baguhan pa lang ako nun sa Beanie.
Papansin nila. We would just like to say thank you, Blooms, kasi grabe. Feeling ko yung mga napapanood yung videos namin is just maybe 20 or 10% of what we've actually went through
Oo,
to be
true.
here where we are right now.
Totoo. 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 Oh, ikaw.
Kaya sobrang grateful namin sa inyo kasi you guys were the fruit to our labor, to be honest. Hindi namin alam paano i-express sa inyo. That's why we do our best to express
Napaka-genuine naman.
our craft.
Iyak ako, hayop. Ito kahapon, tawang-tawa ako dito kahapon eh.
Grabe kasi yung yung journey din
Sa
namin.
TikTok na daanan ko to.
Yung
It's
pinaghirapan
valid.
namin talagang unasan kami ngayon.
Inis naman tong video na
Grabe,
to.
kasi lahat kami, yung mga nakikita niyong walo dito, nag-audition talaga kami. Like,
Audition talaga. Pumilihan.
kung
Yeah, nakita ko to
nasan kami
kahapon
ngayon.
sa compilation. Sa TikTok.
And super thank you sa mga
Ginawan ko
nagtiwala
kasi yung
sa amin.
kay
And
Colette and
family,
TJ na puhon. Ginawan ko siya ng reaction video.
Our management and
It's okay.
of course, our brands.
It's valid.
Thank you so much. Kasi
Brands.
who would have thought na parang nakikita nyo ba yung itsura namin dati? Di ba? Like yung after training, ganun. Sino
Ah,
ba mag-aakala na
May magtitiwala.
Jollibee, di ba?
True.
Kasi yung mga pangarap namin na minamanifest namin before, unti-unti na siyang natutupad.
And you deserve
so
it.
much, Del.
And you deserve it. Oh my God.
Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. And walo hanggang dulo!
Walang hanggang
To
dulo.
our
Kasi di ba walo
bashers.
hanggang dulo pala. To all our bashers.
Hindi. Hindi siya madali.
Ay.
Sakit siya. Pero, you know what? Thank you kasi that's what motivates us to keep pushing, to be stronger, and to really give out our all. And at least, that's something na we can
Shout out
turn
P-Pop
into great.
Insider.
Nakakataas talaga
Sa
siya,
kanya yung video
super,
na to.
And masakit siya, pero it also allows us to look at all the brighter things in life.
True, indeed. Always
The
think
many
positive.
things that we could be grateful for. And sa mga bashers, ang sakit niyo magsalita, pero thank you pa rin.
Kahit yung magsalita.
Kayo kasi. Baka mabash ako nito sa Twitter. Because of it, parang mas lalo ako tuloy na nagkaka-purpose kung bakit it's always nice to be loving kasi ang daming hate, ang daming negativity. So parang you get to see all of it and it makes you have that purpose to keep doing good because people need that love. People need that kindness. And us being here, being walo, being complete as 8, it shows how strong we are together. Kasi ang dami na yung pinagdaanan na hindi namin sinasabi, hindi namin pinapakita.
God, I'm so
Siguro
curious.
minsan,
I'm so
umaapaw
curious
na
kung
at
ano
nakikita,
yan.
Pero mas marami pang hindi namin pinapakita na mas masakit pa. But we are strong. And ang strong namin kasi
True.
nag-renew pa kami. We're strong. We're strong because we know we can do it. And mas strengthen pa namin ang bond namin sa isa't isa. It's gonna be more pa in the future. It's gonna be exciting. There's gonna be a lot of ups and downs. But at least we are all complete and it's either walo or wala.
I also believe
Walo or
that most
wala.
K-pop bashers
It's either
are
walo or
fans.
wala. I
Many
love
are
that.
just riding the trend for clout. Instead of giving them attention, let's focus on those who genuinely support us.
Exactly.
I, if you ever see this, Bloom
Kung
Singapore
nakita ninyo,
Mall,
I
you are such a
never,
kind person,
I
and you will
never
always
make
be
a reaction video yung about sa tote bag ni Maloy. Yung kay Vice Ganda na lang ako gumawa ng reaction video. Already done? I think so. Grabe naman, ang aga naman magpaiyak nito. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the Beanie a joyful yet painful to watch updates and insights sa kanilang contract signing kahapon. So this is KJV Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!